Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you are new, please subscribe it. Today I will talk about this trading strategy that I've been using in the last couple of videos about this broker. So stay there and let me explain to you how it works. First of all, I have to add some indicators. Which are those indicators? Well, we have the Bollinger Band with the default setting, as you can see, 20 and 2, and also we can add the Cci Indicator with the default setting, as you can see here, with 20 periods and 20 periods, the same for both. The other thing you have to do is to set the chart for 1 minute. 1 minute chart. You can change the time frame here. It's 1 minute. That is the chart that I use to take my trades, all my trades. And the next step is to set it for 1 minute expiration. Choose 1 minute expiration. That's all you have to do to start with. So let me check. Another thing you have to take in consideration is the profit that this pair is offering. Well, this strategy works better and is much better for you and for your money management to trade only with pairs that offer 80% or more. Okay, 80% or more of profit. Simple as that. For example, we have a composite index here which is offering 82%, and we can trade that index. Okay, let me see. It was giving me an opportunity just right here. Yeah. The other thing, now let me explain to you step by step how this strategy works, so you can practice it and you can earn money with this. You can get some money with this strategy. But remember, besides this, and before I continue explaining, you need to be disciplined and patient, because right now, for example, I have $6,000. I have reached that amount because I've been very disciplined with this strategy, and I don't care if I lose a trade or two trades or something like that. I keep being disciplined. So let's see if we can find out some opportunities with this strategy. Alright, we may have an opportunity here. So let me explain to you. Once the price reach the lower Bollinger Bands, as you can see, that is almost there, and if it's touch the lower Bollinger Bands, we are going to see the Cci Indicator, which is the indicator that we will use to detect, to observe if the price is oversold or overbought. So we need to wait for the price to be overbought and touching the lower Bollinger Bands. Once it does that, we make an entry to the upside, and the same with the upper Bollinger Bands. Okay, with the price touching the upper Bollinger Bands. In this case, we would enter to the downside. Guys, remember to hit the like button, like this video, and comment any question or any doubt that you have about this strategy. Okay, so now let's wait to see if the market touch this level. It's being rejected just right here. It's been very rejected with these two candlestick, but I think we can still have an opportunity. Let me see another pair. On the meantime, let me check this one. Yeah, I think this is an opportunity. As you can see, we have the CCI on the oversold zone, and we also have the price touching the lower bollinger band. So as simple as that. You can also combine this technique with price action or with a contest. So I'm just waiting for the price to close, and here we go. This is our first entry. So if it keeps going lower, I can combine it with a price action, waiting, or placing a support level just right here. Let's see, and yeah, there is a support there that is supporting the price. You can see the price is been rejected because of that. So what I can do if I lose this trade is to take another entry to the upside, very close to this low. Yeah. Well, it went a little bit above, but it's okay. I think we can win this trade. Let's just wait. Let me check. No. Let's. No. It's all right. So as you can see, I add $5 plus to this trade. So if I win, I will recover the last one. Yes, 1, 2, 1, and yeah, here we go. Whoa. Here's another opportunity. These are the best opportunity when we have a volatile pair like this. This is very volatile. Two great opportunities. Let me check. Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, all of them are down today. Let me see this index. That it was giving me an opportunity. Yeah. We won this one, and if we win this, let me check. If we win this, we are going to recover the lost ones. And yeah, that is true. So as you can see, guys, as simple as that. I can make another trade here if the price comes back down a little bit. I can make another trade for $10, which was the original amount. So as I told you at the beginning, you don't have to be scared or nervous about this strategy because um, you know you have to know that you can lose any trade, you can lose any entries, okay, but that is part of the game. Right, so let me see if we have another opportunity on. Oh yeah, this could be another great opportunity. Let's wait for this. All right, I think I made this entry a little bit earlier, but it's okay. I'll wait for another entry at the close of this candlestick. The close. It's okay. It's behaving very good. Let me check the. Oh, yeah. I make another entry. It was a little bit late, like 10 seconds late, but it's okay. I think we can still win this trade. All right, we won this one. We won this one, and let me check if the price goes a little bit down. I will make another entry. I made two more entries in this pair because I think we have an SS. I think it's a great opportunity to for the price to recover. It's mistake because I think I'll make another entry on this pair. Yeah, we won, and also the second one. Guys, I don't want to make this video longer than this, so if you like this strategy or if you've been practicing with this strategy, let me know please how effective this strategy is for you. I'll see you soon, and remember if you have any question, just put it down on the comment. Before we leave, we can see here what we did today. We had like 3 or 4 loose and the other ones. I see you soon.